Hey, welcome! I'm going to thank the sponsor of my video, Oasis Supply Company. In this video, I use icing sheets for the pictures. I just want to show you that Oasis Supply sells these beautiful quality icing sheets. So if you have an icing sheet printer, this is the place to get them. I'll have a link down in the description. To start this cake, I'm rolling out some homemade marshmallow fondant. It is the best. I'll just drape it over that chocolate-covered cake and smooth it out with my icing smoothers. Making sure all those wrinkles are out, all the way to the bottom. I'll cut the excess off with a little pizza cutter. Give it one final smooth. Sharpen up those edges at the top. This cake likes slipping around a lot. I gotta find something to hold it still. And for the other tier, I'm rolling out some purple fondant. The little lady who wanted this Justin Bieber cake loves the color purple. Again, drape it right over and do the same process as I did on the 6-inch tier. Now for the decorations. I'll take a light purple, rolling it out into a long strip. Then I'll take my ribbon cutter, cut some nice even strips right there. Cut the ends off. And also slice it into more manageable pieces. Stick them over here on this mat so they can harden just a little bit. Cover it with saran wrap so it doesn't dry out too much. And then I'm going to do some of the same stripes in dark purple. I love this little plunge cutter. You can cut the shape, press the button, and it pops that shape right out. I'm going to be using stars. And I covered them in sprinkles. And here's the icing sheet I was talking about. Cut out each of these little squares. Stick some little piping gel on this fondant. And then I'll stick the pictures onto it. Cut them out one by one. You can stick these right onto the cake. I like putting them on fondant so it will stick out a little bit. Right along the base, I'm wetting it with a little water. Then I'll put a nice long strip right along the bottom. When I get to the end, I will just cut off that little piece and glue those together. Now it's time to stick the pictures on. I'm using piping gel again. Stick that cute little man right there. And I'll do the other two a little angled. Now I'm going to add some other decoration around those. Here I have a mold. I'm sticking that fondant in. And when I pop it out, I have a nice, beautiful string of pearls. I'm also going to do a little frame from the square decorations up here. Same process, stick it in, cut it off, and pop it out. Also some little designs from the center here. These are a little harder to get out. I'm working. There we go. Then with some piping gel, I'm going to glue these little designs around Mr. Bieber. I'm trying to get the look of picture frames. Don't know if I pulled that off. Definitely did with these two though. Put a little square one over on this picture, and then I'll put the string of beads around the other one. This is a cool little food color marker. I'm going to draw some musical staffs right in between the pictures and then all around the cake. Add a few little music notes here and there for some cute little decoration. Now I'm going to place those strips that I cut. Here I have a piece of wax paper and I've coated the paper in shortening so these fondant strips should stick to it. I'm layering them nice and even, one dark, two light, all the way to the end. Then I'll take my razor blade and cut it to the size of the cake. And this way I can pick up the entire strip of wax paper and circle it around the cake. And we have perfectly even placed strips, except for the couple that I need to replace in. And then I'll cut the ends off where the base is right there. And here's those little sparkly stars I'm going to glue on to the purple strips. Sorry, to the dark purple strips. That way those stars will really pop. Finally, a little water. So over here I have a steamer, and that's just to kind of moisten this icing sheet so it will stick nice. And there is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in getting some icing sheets, check out Oasis Supply Company in the description.